This video shows the process of renovating a house over the course of 6 years condensed into 6 minutes. I also have a 20-minute long version of this video and the entire process documented across about 80 videos that you can see on my YouTube channel, Homemade Home. This house was purchased for only $9,000, and if you're interested in doing something similar, I'll give you more details at the end of the video. Well, I hope you all enjoyed seeing this abbreviated look into a very long renovation. And like I said, if you're interested in doing something similar, I wrote an ebook, Cheap Houses, How I Find and Buy Inexpensive Real Estate, and it's available on Amazon as well as a PDF directly off my website. Along with heading over to my channel and checking out the other videos, you can also show support through Patreon. The link for that is also in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.